Hi there, and welcome to this episode of Consciousness Fucking Empowerment. Here, we talk about consciousness, the law of attraction, and how to reach your fucking dreams. If you're new here, welcome. Here we talk about empowerment of our consciousness, of our mind. Okay, here are my credentials. I went to prison. I didn't have a high school education, but because I wanted to change, I had to visualize. I was only in a room kind of like this, but way smaller. Could not get out for years. Okay, so just in a small room for years. And I have visualized myself being in college and being with my family. Two things that I really wanted in my heart. Okay, two things that I really wanted in my heart. Now, something's telling me to say this. Sometimes we want bad things in our life. Like I wanted to be a tag banger or a gangster, right? Wanted to be in a crew and a gang. But when I chose that, my heart would tell me, don't fucking rob. Don't be tagging on the wall. Don't fucking attempt to kill that man. I couldn't even say that, but those thoughts I had and my conscience were always telling me not to do that. I ended up going to prison for the things that I've done. And so sometimes with your desires will take you on a bad route, but you have to learn because it gives you pain. Okay. In this video, I'm going to talk about how pain leads you to what you desire, or how pain helps you manifest your dream life. I was in prison, manifested my dream life. What was my dream? What was in my imagination right before I went to sleep? Going to college and being with my family. What happened? I already went to college, got a UCLA degree, bachelor's and master's degree, fully funded, okay? And I'm with my family. My family lives 2 blocks away. It's what I asked for, and it was a good thing because that brought me joy and happiness. The times that I felt discomfort and pain in my heart are when I do an activity that is not aligned with my higher self. Going to sleep late, or no, it's not even about going to sleep late. It's about waking up late. When I would wake up at around 11 or noon, my heart would say, man, what the fuck are you doing? It wouldn't say that literally, but I felt discomfort. What's going on? And then when I started listening to my heart, waking up at 4 a.m., but then my heart was like, no. Earlier. I'm like, all right, let's do 3. No. Let's do 2:45 a.m. All right, thumbs up. Now I'll wake up, I do my gratitude. Before I even get up, I start doing my gratitude because I know if I get up or something happens, I hit myself. As soon as I get up, I may focus on something negative. When you focus on something negative, your day's already you're already going downhill already. You don't want that. You want to start positive with a positive mental attitude. And so now I'm waking up early. I feel amazing. I feel 100 times better. Why? Because I can sit and listen to my heart and be grateful with my heart, with my full heart. Okay, gratitude is a feeling. Then I can meditate and ground myself, ground my mind and my heart. Calmness, tranquility, be tranquil as the day starts. So if something comes up in the world, something that might take me off course, I can just come back. Like a car just passed by me, I might get a little shock, like whoa, and then be calm. I wouldn't think about it over and over again and be angry at the driver. Why did that driver do that? Blah, 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 blah. None of that. Okay. So start with that. Once you get a routine with gratitude and meditation and working out, I work out because it gets me in a positive vibration as well. Move. You have to move. Okay. You start off your day right. That's what I do in the mornings. Why do you think my consciousness, my higher self, was telling me to wake up early? Because I can set my day up for success, not failure. Your positive vibration is the best self, is your best self. Negative vibration is your worst self, okay? Another one is when I was sitting in court. That's like the third or fourth time that I was there to turn in paperwork. I had a warrant for my arrest, and I was like, man, what the fuck? I'm wasting time. I'm over here with a bunch of criminals. You know, I'm one of them too. This sucks. I'm in pain. I'm in discomfort in my heart. I finally had a realization. I'm not supposed to be drinking. Every time I drink, some bullshit happens. All the times that I've gone to prison, I've gone to jail, was because of drugs and alcohol. And choosing the bad. Choosing the bad. My heart always told me, don't do that. Now I'm following my heart. I'm waking up early. I'm feeling amazing. I'm giving back every day. I have to give back. Everything that I do, I see that as very extreme. I fucking do shit extreme. So I'm doing good now. Extreme good, and only extreme good will come from that. Just like with my fitness, I work out and I push myself. Not too much, too crazy, you know what I mean? So it's not like I'm staying up really late and giving back all day, and I'm up for 2 or 3 days just doing YouTube videos trying to give back. No, I do it every day. I do maybe twice a day. And I bring forth my best self. Okay. So that's what got me sober, because my heart was always telling me every time I would wake up hungover, I'll lose my memory, lose my ID, lose my wallet, whatever it was. This time, a DUI almost cost me my life because I crashed into a parked car in my Chevy Avalanche, the one that I manifested. One that I loved, and I still love, and I'm grateful for. And my heart was always telling me that, don't drink. It's not for me. Anything that makes you lose your mind, your awareness, even just a little bit, is bad for you. Why lose your consciousness? Your consciousness is your power. Circumstance, what you see around here right now, is the result of your state of being. Your I amness, whoever you're saying you are. Whatever you're visualizing is who you're saying you are. When I was in prison, I was visualizing being in college. I was saying I am a successful college student. I am a college student who enjoys this shit. Because in my imagination, I was enjoying it. That was so much joy to me versus being in a cell and missing my family. So I would visualize being with my family again. So I was that. That was my state of being. And I manifested it. Now it's my circumstance. It's one of my circumstances, right? There's different levels of love, health, wealth, family, skill, sales skill, marketing skill, YouTube skill. All those things you can manifest. Okay? Everything is a result of your state of being. It's not the other way around. It's not. I'm not in shape because of my circumstance. I'm in shape because it was my state of being. I didn't go to college because my circumstance. No, it was because my state of being, who I decided to be in my mind. Woo! Whoa! That one was deep. Rewind this and listen to that again because that was deep. I can't go back because I'm in flow. So listen to your heart, the discomfort, the pain. And failure, when you fail or you don't get something, just learn from it. There's some type of lesson. The rejection or failure, let's say you don't get a sale, if somebody rejects you, it's part of the process, you know. Stay grounded. Stay grounded, stay here. That's why meditation is so powerful. That's why gratitude is so powerful, because it keeps you present, keeps you grounded. Okay, next, on to the next one. On to the next thing. You know, when a baseball player swings, he'll say, oh, that's it. No, there's 3 swings. There's 3 fucking swings. You have another chance, but every moment, every second, this present moment, you're swinging. So be positive. Earn your positivity, because that's your responsibility. Okay? So whenever something gets you off balance or something's making you discomfort, it's the universe is telling you, don't do that. Pivot, pivot, pivot. And that's what pain and discomfort is in this physical reality. It's It's your consciousness. It's God telling you to pivot. Okay. So go after your desire. State it. Visualize it. Visualizing is stating it. That's who you are. Okay. Your state of being is the result of your circumstances, not your circumstances is the result of your state of being. Some people live that way. I don't know how many people, but now that you're studying this and you're part of the community, of the consciousness empowerment community, you understand this, okay? And in time, I know the world, the universe will understand this. The universe already knows this, but the world, the human race will understand this, and there will be more peace on earth than there is now. There is peace now, just some places, maybe not so much. So, report every day to the universe as your highest self, your best self, and listen to your heart, manifest those dreams. I've done it before. I know you can do it too. Shoot, if I did it with nothing and just in a cell with my boxers on, I was in the hole, you can do it too, bro. I love you. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if this is helping you, share it. Share it so more people can create and produce more of what they're dreaming and desiring, okay? I love you till next time. Peace.